viewers and welcome to another Odoo 18 tutorial series by Cybrosys. In this tutorial, we'll dive into a crucial aspect of purchase order management in Odoo 18, locking confirmed purchase orders. We'll explore the benefits of locking orders, the steps involved in the process, and how it can help you maintain control over your procurement operations. So now, let's get started. First of all, let's open the purchase module here. And before doing anything, you have to go to the configuration and choose settings. Okay, so here in the settings, you have to enable this lock confirmed orders. So I'm enabling it, and after enabling it, make sure you save it. So I'm saving it as well. Okay, so the saving and all is done. Now what you have to do is you have to go back to orders and choose request for quotation. Here I'm going to create a new RFQ. I'm choosing a vendor over here. Okay, and I'm adding a product. Okay, so vendor and a product has been added. Now you can confirm the order. So the confirmation is done. And as soon as I confirmed it, rather than going into the purchase order, it's currently in a state called locked. So once the locking is done, nobody can do any further edits on this particular RFQ. Okay, so I'm logged in as the admin. So what happens is that I can easily unlock it from here. Okay, so this has been logged here. If you want to unlock it, you can click on unlock here. Okay, as you can see, this has been unlocked. Again, if you want to lock it, click on the lock icon over here. So this is basically how you do it. Okay, so now I'm just logging out as the admin, and then I'm logging in as dem. Okay. So I'm not saving it. However, if you go to purchase, open the purchase module here, you can see, all the, request for quotations which have been created. So this is the request for quotation which I created as the admin, and it is in locked state. If you open it, you can basically you cannot do any further edits. The only thing you can do is you can receive the products here. Okay, so this is locked state. Okay, as it's locked, you can't do any further edits on it. And then you can, create or validate all these things other than editing it. So this is how the locking works here in the purchase module. So I hope it's clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.